And I had planned out a series on LinkedIn on my channel. So I was like, I'll teach LinkedIn. I'll talk about how can you write a post. I'll talk about how can you optimize your profile. I'll talk about all of those things. And that worked very well. Also, whenever I used to get people on my YouTube channel, I would post about it on LinkedIn. I would tell them to post about it on LinkedIn. And because there was so much reach on LinkedIn back then, because there were less number of people posting compared to other platforms, my channel grew. The first 1,000 to 2,000 subscribers came from LinkedIn itself. It was all external, right? So the growth was slow, but I contribute a lot of it to LinkedIn and other platforms, majorly LinkedIn. Sponsor लग रहा है लोगों को sponsor लगा है LinkedIn.
नहीं, I heard about that also. Like, I mean, like when I was reading up about you, you had written, so I wanted to know. And
it's right beside you.
Achha, wow.
Crushed on LinkedIn.
Oh yeah, of course.
भेज दिया.
ये भी लगा दो यहाँ पे.
नहीं, but ठीक है. So that came in July of that year, right, when I was at my home. So
when you were studying back then.
No, I was studying back then. I was in 2020. I was at my house. I had a lot of free time, so I made a book out of nowhere.
Wow. I made a book so casually, like just putting out there.
No, it was a lot of researching. Like how do you really write a book particularly, right?
Yeah.
So I listened to Pat Flynn. I listened to 5 other writers. I understood what they were talking about. I understood about publishing, about self-published book. You know, how does this industry really work? Bestseller का क्या मतलब होता है, right? And how big of a scam that is. So I learned about all of that, and then I just started focusing on learning something and then teaching that to my audience, right? So I would. So 1 year ago, I had learned about Python.
Yeah.
Right. So and then I made a tutorial playlist about Python. Yeah. On my channel. It wasn't getting much views. It was just like, 10, 20, 30 views. I made 5, 7 of them, did not work out. So I was like, okay, I learned. I just wanted to revise Python. Right? So I was like, I'll just revise it and I'll just teach people as well. So I just did that. Logon ne nahi dekha. And then I get this message from Unacademy saying that, hey, we watched one of your tutorial playlists. And we like that video and we want to work with you.
Amazing. Wow.
Right? So those 5 videos led to an opportunity that enabled me to teach thousands of students about programming for the next 1 year.
Okay.
I taught for over 350 hours on the platform. Right. So all of that happened just because it wasn't like I was expecting a reward out of it. I never knew कि ऐसा भी होता है. Right. I was just like, and ये भी 2 महीने बाद मैं अपनी वो LinkedIn connection request देख रहा था. तो casually was someone from Unacademy, acquisition, and they were like, hey, we want to work with you. मतलब ये तो 2 महीने पहले भेजा था. अब क्यों देख रहा हूँ? So anyways, so that वो हुआ फिर.
The person I work with in Brew market, Pranay, he's a digital marketing head at Unacademy.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
मैंने किया था
शायद हो सकता
है. नहीं, वो उनका बर्न बहुत ज्यादा है तो. No more.
Yeah. Let's not talk about that abhi. Not that podcast. Yeah, continue. Sorry.
So that is how my journey sort of went on. I realized that